me that one.
Nope, he laid down. Can you even see? Can you even see me? Oh. This stand that I bought for my car, I feel like it used to be a good idea, but now like it's really loose, and I'll set it in a way and then I'm driving and the next thing I know I look back and it's like tilted down. But anyways, good morning vlog, or whatever time of day it is for you. I hope that it's a good one. I'm here today with Moose that I don't think you can see, but he's back there. Moose is Darren's dog. If you don't know Darren, you can find him in at least one of my videos, 2 of my videos. He'll be in more. He has his own page, Warren Peace Skeptic. You can check that out. And yeah, Moose spent the night last night. Oh, there he is. You can see him. Hi, Moose. Moose spent the night last night, and so I'm just taking him back home. And I don't know. I thought that we would record and see what kind of day we have. I'm currently trying to figure out how to get on I-5 because the ramp was closed due to construction, and I didn't see any detour signs, but there's just a bunch of cars going this way. So I thought, hey, they probably know where they're going. You know, that's really excellent decision making, you know, just follow the crowd. We're just sheeple. As you already know, it's morning and I haven't had caffeine yet, so I don't know how to say words. But yeah, we're taking Moose home. I'm gonna get some sort of caffeine. I'm more of a tea person than a coffee person, but I will drink coffee on occasion. I don't really know what I'm feeling for this morning, but we'll find out. And then I am meeting up with a friend to go to the lake. What is my hair doing right here? Like, oh my goodness, why? Why are you like this? And then I'm meeting up with a friend to go to the lake. That will be fun. Oh my god, my hair. And then, after the lake, we have some errands to run. So I don't know how much of that I'll include you guys in, or how much of it will even be interesting. But yeah, stay tuned for that. I lost the group of cars, so GPS it is. And it turns out we were going the right way. I was starting to second guess the group of cars because we're driving quite a bit out of the way, it felt like. But seems like GPS agrees that we should go this way, so it's all good. Crisis averted, guys. So I was really proud of myself, guys, because I put a receipt in my window. City hack to pretend like you paid for parking when you didn't. But then Darren just informed me that I don't have to pay for parking because it's Sunday.
Yep, if you look right there.
Oh. So now people are just gonna think I'm weird for having a receipt in my window.
They
but it's fine. Sorry.
You're good. We should buy coffee today.
Hey, you want to say hi? Give me that one.
Nope, he laid down.
You suck at that.
Poor Moose. Not very good at showing off.
Right? Imagine. This is bad at catching food in his mouth. Come here. Alright, have no more. You want to say hi? He works from 6 to 10. Or from 10 to 6.
Oh no, that's not. Okay, so I got a sweet chai with almond milk, and it's pretty much gone. It's pretty good. It's a little almond milky for me. Like, I wish the chai was stronger, but it's pretty good. I should have got a 16 ounce instead of a 12 ounce. And I got a cinnamon raisin. Why can I not say that word? Cinnamon raisin bagel. I tried to get it with butter, but I am dumb and it was cream cheese. And yeah, now we are on the way to the lake. I think might be okay.
Can I help you, buddy? Not yet. Maybe he just wants to be on the ground.
Might be tired or
Taking a nap.
yeah. I don't know.
Just want to get up to a tree.